Welcome to Fino Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Theo from Fino Concept. So today we are adding a slideshow. Yeah, I know we've already added a slideshow on our website and it is fully functional. You can see it from here. So if you missed this particular part, you should probably check out our older video. But just for a recap purpose, you just go back to your dashboard, you click on appearance, and under appearance you click on customize. Now the first thing you have to do is actually upload your images or the images you want to use for your slideshow. So basically, if you've done that, you just click on sliders and you insert them here one after the other. So if you have already done that, then let's get on to what this video is about. Now let's just say at some point you are actually not interested in how this theme's slideshow is, and you want to get your own slideshow using other means. Now how do you do that? This slideshow, or the slideshow which comes with this particular theme, is actually limited to 5. So we want to add in our own or create our own slideshow where we can increase it to about 10 or 50. Now to do this, we actually need a plugin. So I'll go to plugins and I'll add a new plugin. And under that, I'll just upload a new plugin. I have one currently on my computer, so I'll just open it up. Now the plugin I'm using currently is called the Revolution Slider. There are other ones. I'll probably leave a link to a few of them in the description below. So I'll install that app. Then after installation, I'll just activate it. So just like all our other plugins, it is showing on the left side of our panel here. So I'll just click on Revolution Slider. Then I'll go ahead and create a new slider. You can also import a slider if you already have one from a different plugin, but for this tutorial I'm just creating a new one. Then you need a slider title, so I'll just call this Home Slider. Then you need an alias, so I'll call this Home Slider, probably make it an underscore. I can make it anything you want. You can even make it X, but I'm just going to leave it as that. I'm going to leave everything as the way it is, but I'm actually going to change the width and the height to match my images, or to match the images I'm going to use. Currently I don't have them in mind, so I'll just go back to my media and I'll click on any of the images I use for my slider. So probably this is good. So you can see it is 1366 by 354, so I'll just copy that information. So for the width we have this, and for the height we have that. I don't want to make any mistakes, so I'll copy them twice. Okay, so if you have done this, then you can go ahead and go through a few of the options here. So you have the delay. The delay I'm actually going to set it to probably 3 seconds. You can loop the process. There are a few of them. I can't go through all of them because I want to keep this video very short. So for the shadow appearance, I'll leave it to probably no shadow. I don't want any shadow to be showing. And yeah, so when you have time, you just go through all some of them. I've actually reviewed a few and I think I'm okay with this number 4. So once you've done that, you just click on Create Slider down here. So you get a notification now the slider is created. We have to add in our slides. So I click on Edit Slides. Then I'll add in which slides I want. So I'll click on New Slide. Now you can do this one after the other, but you can select as many as you want, all at a go. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll select these 4 and I'll just click on Insert. So these 4 sliders have been created, and that's about it. Now all we have to do is put it in our home page and replace it with this slider we have here. So I'll go back to my Revolution Slider. Now we talked about shortcodes in our previous video. If you haven't watched it, you should probably watch that. So I'll copy this short code and I'm going to place it in my home page. So I'll go to my home page and I'll edit that particular page. So currently we are in our home page. I'll just paste it in here and I'll preview this. Okay, so this isn't showing and there's a reason for that. To explain, I'll just open up probably let's try mission statement. Then we go ahead and edit mission statement page. We'll put in this code, that same code in here, and preview the changes. So you can see it is showing on mission statement, but it is not showing on our home page. The reason is that because our home page is set to the business template, everything we do must be in the business sidebar. So I'll just go ahead and get rid of that. So mind you, that's probably something you have to take notice of. So I'll leave page. Then I'll go to my business top sidebar. Now if you are wondering what's your business top sidebar, where it is, that is the sidebar which is actually here, containing the about us, mission statements and objectives. So I'll just go there and I'll grab in the text widget. I told you this text widget is powerful. So I'll grab it and I'll put that on top of our services. The services are what we have here. So the text widget, then I'll paste in that code. So I kind of lost it there. I'll just copy it again. I'll paste in the code and I'll save it up. So this is currently saved. If we refresh our page, you can see that our slider is now showing on our website. So we have two sliders, but we are just interested in this particular slider. So all we have to do is go back to our dashboard and click, hover over appearance, and in appearance we go to customize. Now the idea is to deactivate this slider, the theme slider. So we'll uncheck this. Now the theme slider is off. So all we have is just the revolution slider we created. So I'll go ahead and publish this. So basically that's how to create your own slider using a plugin. Now in the same way we've created this slider, the same way we can add it to multiple places on our website. So let's just pick contact us for this part. Now our contact us page is set to full width. So I'll go ahead and edit that out. And I'll change it to right sidebar and update that. Now mind you, the contact page is set to the contact page template. So everything, just close that up, close this too. So everything we want to put on the contact sidebar will have to be on the contact page sidebar. I hope this makes sense. Okay. So if I grab a calendar and I put it in here, it should always show on our contact us page. That is because it's using the contact us sidebar. But any other place like the about us, the mission statement, other places are not showing the exact same thing we have on the contact us page. So what I want to do is actually embed my slider in here. I want it to show in here too. So I'll just go to the page. Let's just delete the calendar we don't need. And I'll go to my text widget. I'll click and drag that. Now, you don't always have to click and drag. You see, I was actually finding it a bit difficult moving it to the top. You can actually just click on it one time and you select where you want to put it. So I want to put it on the contact page sidebar. I just click that and click on add widget. Now that is another way of doing it. So I'll just save it up. Now if I refresh my contact us page, you can see that our slider is showing. Now this is probably too small, so you might want to change that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.